Kebeli pi baru syakatup Khubor jengi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakongsan mentah kesengi kilong. Shimti Umar Vincent Pala kum Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President. Ngan pelut por Khubor Na Ka Jylla ban Delhi ong uba Vincent Pala. Marikut Assembly keliang tenak terekam Menteri Rangba Health Minister. Bat lap kariwar Environment Protection and Sustainable Organisation penusla badon ke jingret pathari ki jabok jaban kinong teri surok Shillong Dauki. Bat mentangin pasya ki khubor bakam benya. Udukhat ke ying dorbar thau ain Lok Sabha ubami kmat ya ke Shillong Lok Sabha constituency Umar Vincent Pala menta ke sengi ula shimti kum president bathamai jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Umar Pala ula shimti ya ke ni ke kam ban yalami ke Congress ha Meghalaya ha ke program bala pelong ha State Convention Shillong ha ke bala don langru Menteri Barim ke Meghalaya URG Lingdo bala wan phai biang sha ke Congress hadin katu kat nisnem. Hak bakren he kidukot jang Congress Umar Pala uloong bakasing san hima sima Congress kadon jakaban pediang ya baro. Uloong ba kabah khamat e jang kasing kalong ban pin klan ya kasing khnang ba inla ban ai ka jing shakri ka ba khambha ik pai ba. Umar Pala uloong ru ba gade ban pin klan chu chu e ka jing tri kam jang kidukot jang kasing. Uloong ba kasing kan pintikna bandon ki volunteer haman ne ki polling station hakani ka jing jet nong mikmat kabanwan. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Bathamai uloong ru ba kasing minta kaladon ye ki start ka khai pateng ki start technology but hakiway pat kilyang ki banyarap pan sandur thamai ye kasing.
Join the party, if you join in the politics, don't expect to do the public, but help the public. So I am here today, not for my personal interest, not for my family interest, but I am here today for the people to work, to voice for the voiceless, and to help the poor. And I'm here today to help everybody in my life. So I don't have the intention to be rich. I don't have the intention to be powerful. Manishji is here. I think he will agree with me. He will be witness. Dr. Celestine is here. He will agree with me. I never wanted to be a president. I remember when the name, I'm only supported by Charles to be a president. But somehow very unfortunate because of the incidents of his son and other things. And like Merala said, they are push and pull women because only one post, naturally, there should be a push and pull. There should be a lobby by different people. So then somehow it didn't click. One fine day, Manish told me, why don't you go as a president? Because many of the MLAs call him. I think Manish ji has fed up with every day people call him at night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, when will we get a president? And they have rightly do so because everybody is frustrated. We should work. So, thank you, sir. I'm here not because for my personal interest. I'm here not to compete with others. I'm here to work together. I'm here to take everybody. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I tell you, I'm confident you'll do it. But we need your assistance. Victor ji, I'm very fortunate. His father used to be my colleagues in parliament. His father loved me so much. He used to call me, Pala, please come and have a dinner. When I came, sir, why am I leaving? He said, no, I like you so much. I said, why, sir? No, you have no other interest except to work for the people. I'm a Secretary General of the Northeast MPs Forum. So it is his father who told me, you see, Pala, money come and go. Power come and go, but your hard work and honesty will always remain with you. You are rich and you don't have to bother others. Please work. So I always used to quote his father, and excellent. I think he died at the age of more than 95 years. Yeah, 98 years.
Umar Vincent Pala ubalong UMP jang ke Lok Sabha kakat pratarik mentau benai nailur arjar arpwe ula shimti rukum President Bathamai jang ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Habai krench kilat pathai Khubor uloong bakum President bat MP ha kajuk kapor un Preshitom Bonsha bani kaba menchua menta bula shimti kum President un penlet jingmut Khubor kapor ha ka Jylla ban wanra ya ka jingeteli ka party pada kajuk kapor un bati ya kapor jang na ka benta ki jingdon kam ha Delhi.
Question. Definitely, I have to have a priority. Normally, my state is my priority. And as an opposition, I don't have much work in Delhi also. I may miss a few meetings or less important meetings. I may miss a few meetings, but I will concentrate in the state more than in Delhi. So I have to know my priority and work out in such a way my Delhi work will not be hampered and my state work will not be hampered. But I'm confident, you see, we work as a team. I'm not alone. We have the district level, the block level, and the polling stations level, and the team in the party, an executive committee, different committees. I think that should not be a problem. I have to only work harder than usual. I think that should not be a problem. I think, see, NPP is in the ruling as of now. There's no doubt that if you look at the MLAs, MPP is more than the Congress. But if you look at the percentage of people voted, Congress is almost double than NPP. And to say that NPP might be, I don't agree with it. NPP may have more MLAs at that time, but the Congress has more voters. So it doesn't depend on your MLAs alone. It depends on the voters. So I think this time we'll multiply more our voters. Last time we got almost 35%. NPP got only 17.6%. UDP, I think it is wrong because normally, you know, NPP also, I criticize Conrad Sangma also many a times, UDP many a times. Why I criticize UDP? Because definitely I concentrate on my constituency. Today I'm been appointed as a president. Now I'll concentrate entire state. But normally I concentrate in my constituency because I know more about my constituency. I travel length and breadth of my constituency. I've seen the problem of people in my constituency. I've seen the harassment to the people of my constituency. That's why, and most of the works are in home ministry, most of the works are in Weybridge, most of the works in related to alcohol, to drugs and everything. And all these departments are held by the UDP. That's why I don't criticize the UDP alone. I criticize the bad works they have done.
Umintri Rangba Kajalau Konrad ki sangma kasngi satjan ulakal yang yekshina trekam jung gisaw ngot ki menteri sorkar ki badena ka parti NPP. Kitai gisaw ngot ki bangat ha kate ka jingsha kalyang tanak trekam ki kenthop yu ba preston tinsong ubadei usimbot menteri nang tau ba snyo bhalang dhar u James ki sangma bat uba da sakhiat lamare. Kumta da kate ka jing kalyang uba preston unbat no ikatanat power ka balabat baro shikata do u James ki sangma kat bai katanat health ka ba upet hadin ka jing sha kani shuki ubahek kumjo ya katanat food and civil supply in pet no do James ki sangma hagajuk ka por ya katanat transport ka babat do ba snyo bhalang dhar baro shikata in pet no do ba dasakhiat lamare kat bai katanat fisheries pad ka baju pet do ba dasakhiat in pet no do ba snyo bhalang dhar. Kumshi bentaban rakhe ka Rashtriya Poshan Ma ka basaw ni kajing samya kajing bam protein ka NSS unit jong ka St. Anthony's Shillong harungkat kajing etre lang bat ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage hakakat pratarik unailur arjar arpoy kalalit ban sami kajing bam protein ki blanket ki jan bat kiwe ki tiar donkam shakinong shnong ka Mauthai Ribhoy district. Yakini ka program la penyat do president ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage uba Gideon harungkat ka jingya don lang uke modani usong knor ka community service Miss Kathy Saibon Seshem Pang Nyota ki program officer ka NSS unit St. Anthony's College ki volunteer ka NSS unit bat ki wegi dukot ka club. Habakren kumukong san hakani ka program US Das u president ka club ulaban halor ka pang jong kani ka program kabalong ka jing don kam ban penbiang ka rukom bam batay na ka benta kilong kami ki bedang aidut khulung kilong kami bedang armet bat ki kena kentai bedang ke samla. Hadin ka jing kren jong u la don ka jing sami ki marbam ki jan ki tiar don kam shikinong shnong ka Mauthai. Lapen kut ka program da ka jing ai khublei urang ba shnong rengkat bat ka shnong baro ka wei ka jing kloy ban no senyang jong ka college NSS unit bat ka Rotary Club da ka jing kular bakin nang ai ka jing etre lang ha ki wei pat ki program ki ban long.
Miss Kathy iba lai pu yang i sapang kane ka program bat niru na ka club jong i ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage nila kloy ban ya small di lang ban pin long ya kane ka program kumpala julong manus nem uneu benai nailur udeu benai bala raida ka sarkar me ban pin sap yang ya ka jing suthu sapang ka jing don kam ban bam ya ki jing bam bat te ya ka met kane ka wanra ya ka jing kwet jing tia kane ka jing kentup ya kita ki jing bam ki ba ki ong daka tin parent ki protein rich food da ini jing ice nuret jong ni kirmen ba nang nes mat kin ya don baro ka jing bit jing biang bat ka jing kwat jing publish bon
itu Meghalaya tengah ai ko beli ko Meghalaya Health Kadon gaji ai amlong
na उसको ना अलग से निकाल
Kariwar Environment Protection and Sustainable Organisation pen usla kabadiga kinhon sumar mariang ne kithan pen usla hak steps ngi satjain kalale banjirip ya kajaka sa jingkinong pentre ya kesurok Shillong dauki hamau jarat hadin bikla lab bakadon ka jing bread pathari gijabo jaban hakate kajaka ka kinhon kale kenduru ikibor penyat kebela kular ban penkhut mador bat bread pathari kite gijabo
ni kunci member jang karap sido ni layo banwan page banwan inspect ikan kerja kasa jong kini kinong trade company ARSS bapan bahaya kini surok Shillong dauki tinggi dan ikan sufia banwan page ni kejabok jaban jabaki ki bread pathar syarut sekiar kawala ban kata ye kini kawa kaba kum ka Shillong bat kum ki pajbak ni pendon kami ka nomor kata ni layo ban keren bat ni layo ban syong ru bat supaya bersor in charge jong kini kerja katre bat ulah bet pular ini ba un sasim kia ban nang ni sekmat ban penlong bat ban simkia ban pankut ye kini kerja kasa bat kekuatan jong ki badan saudong takun jaka tang kini tim publish bu
nakaleng jong aku mudkot kanika repsdu central body napan pau ka jing skokia halor ka jing bread jaklia pathar ki tei ki nong trei jong ka tei ka cruiser hang tei ha mau jaraj kelenti ban lech polang kawet di nakaleng ka seng kalayo ru ban yakren bat uni unong peniaj bau dai ban penkhut no si sendon ban nombret pathar syu yakini ki jaklia jongki di nakliu ju ru ulak rensyai bat ulak kular ru ba un sale ya kata di ngila sengo komen nakaliang ka kanhun bat hakani kata yo banwan ru nakaliang ka kanhun kan sale khami biang sai sin ban yo i ban shem laule sisya ni ya kata ke baula kular di ngi khmilenti ba endang ngi lejngo biang kan sadon kata ka jingkala hakbe dei bet kani ka jingbret pathar jongki ngi kwa ban yo i bakan sadon kata ka jingkhut ki jing suba hang tei ya ko krusar jong ka mau jarai khuble sibun
bat dakitu ki khubor ngilapoi shakabakot tat hadu bing neshem biang khuble shibon